friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Smiley fries in the air fryer. So we just need a bag of frozen Smiley fries, no need to defrost. The air fryer will cook them straight from frozen. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and I will open a package of frozen Smiley fries. And let's put the Smiley fries in the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I will set the time to 14 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the Smiley fries. Look at that, they're so nicely browned, perfectly cooked. Now let's carefully remove it from the air fryer to the plate. Look at that, they're so nicely browned. And even though I didn't flip them, they browned on both sides. Maybe the top is a little bit more brown, but the bottom is brown as well. The reason why I didn't shake them in the middle, because they're made out of mashed potatoes, they're pretty delicate, so it's very hard to flip them without breaking them. But air fryer browns them on both sides. And now let's try it. These look so good. See how crispy on the outside? So golden brown. They taste amazing. So good. They're tender and delicious on the inside and crispy and brown on the outside. Air fryer is perfect for cooking frozen Smiley fries. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!